Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sign up and set up and use Buy Me a Coffee. So this is a donations page where your supporters can actually support you by buying you a coffee. So to sign up, you just basically click sign up. Let's write down this already taken, so let's create something additional, like for example something like this. Something like this, and you click sign up. After that, you want to enter your email and password. You can continue with Google, Apple, or Twitter. Now, as I already had this account, I was redirected to this page, but basically you want to view your page and edit your page. Basically, you can upload your profile picture, enter your full name, what are you creating. Now, as you can see, you can also add something about you, about me, then social links. So I added my YouTube channel, for example. You can also add some other social links. Now you can also replace the coffee with anything you like. The theme color also can be changed to anything too. Again, you're gonna click save, and after that you can copy this link and paste it anywhere you like. That's how your page looks like to others. Basically, they can support you by writing something nice and clicking by support. You can also add a cover image. So right here, you want to upload your cover, and basically it will add a cover image for you. Again, there's some extras. So you can sell anything in a couple of taps. So sell your digital and physical products here. Some simplified checkouts for supporters. Now, when you are on your dashboard right here, you can see here more ways to earn. So you can actually enable the membership, which is similar to Patreon or Contribui. So this is monthly membership for your biggest fans. You can enable this, enable membership, and share the exclusive content with them. For example, there's also shop, so we can add some digital products, one-on-one Zoom calls, Instagram, close friends, physical goods, ticket for event, and so on. So yeah guys, that's basically it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.